Welcome student in BSc third year class. Today I am going to teach you the new chapter whose name is Organic Synthesis via Enolate. Let us start. Students, today we are going to see the next chapter, that is Organic Synthesis via Enolate. In this organic synthesis via Enolate, we know there are different type of compounds in which contains the active methylene groups. So active methylene group means that group which is attached from both side by electron withdrawing group. For example, aldehyde group, carbonyl group, carboxylic group, ester group, cyanide group, halide group, etc. And example of this active methylene compound is the dimethyl malonate or acetoacetic esters. Now, in this active methylene compound, it contains specifically methylene group contains the hydrogen atoms which are active and acidic in natures. The compound containing active methylene group when treated with base loses hydrogen atom to form the carbanion ion, and this carbanion ion is stabilized by another resonating structures that is known as the enolate ions. So for example, dimethyl malonate when come in contact with the base, then there is formation of carbanion ion, and this carbanion ion can be stabilized by means of third structures that is known as the enolate structures here. Now see the acetoacetic ester, sometimes it is also known as ethyl acetoacetate. Structure is CH3CO CH2 COOC2H5. And now see the preparation of acetoacetic esters. This acetoacetic ester can be prepared from the two molecules of ethyl acetate in the presence of sodium ethoxide and after hydrolysis. Now ethyl acetate on reflection with sodium ethoxide give the acetoacetic ester. This is simple reaction which has been shown over here. First reaction we can see on your screen. Now actually this reaction is base catalyzed condensation of ester containing the alpha hydrogen atom, and it is also known as Claisen condensations. As far as mechanism is concerned, it involves the following steps. First of all, in first step, base abstract the alpha hydrogen atoms uh, from the ethyl acetate to form the carbanion ion. So here, after abstraction of that ion, there is formation of carbanion ion from one molecule of ethyl acetate which attack on the carbonyl group of another molecule which has been shown in first reaction on the screens, and there is formation of the ions. In third stage, this anion loses the ethoxide ion to form the ethyl acetoacetate. uh, Ketoenol tautomerism, let us see here. The ethyl acetoacetate exists an equilibrium mixtures of two functional forms that is known as the keto and enol form. These two forms are constantly interconvert into one another. This phenomena in which two structural isomers spontaneously interconvert and exist in dynamic equilibrium is called as tautomerism. For example, ethyl acetic esters, this is in keto form as well as in enol forms, which has been shown over here. The tautomer which contains the carbonyl group is called keto form, while the other tautomers which contains the hydroxyl group attached to double bonded carbon atom is known as the enol form. This tautomerism is also called as the ketoenol tautomerism. The mechanism of this ketoenol tautomerism can be divided by means of two ways, that is base catalyzed ketoenol tautomerism and acid catalyzed ketoenol tautomerism. So as far as the base catalyzed ketoenol tautomerism is concerned, in first step, base abstract proton from ethyl acetoacetate to form the carbanion ion which is resonance stabilized into enolate form, as we have seen already. Now in second step, this enolate ion take proton from the water molecule to form the enol form of ethyl acetoacetate, which is shown in second reaction or next reaction. So in this way, this is base catalyzed ketoenol tautomerism is there. Now B number is there, that is acid catalyzed ketoenol tautomerism. In first step, carbonyl oxygen takes proton from acid to form the oxonium ion over here, and this oxonium ion in second step loses proton to form the enol forms. So in this way there are two type of ketoenol tautomerism, and in this way due to this the percentage of keto form is 92.5%, whereas the enol form is 77.5 percentage. So here from this percentage we can say the keto form is more than the enol forms. So today we stop here. On tomorrow we will see the next. Thank you very much.